Hello everyone. Zoho Inventory has partnered with HSBC to enable you to perform banking functions from within Zoho Inventory. In this video, we'll see how to integrate Zoho Inventory with HSBC and pay your vendors seamlessly. Let's get started. To set up the HSBC integration, log into Zoho Inventory, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Online Payments. Select the Vendor Payments tab. Click Setup Now on the HSBC title. If you do not have the API credentials with you, select No and click Submit after agreeing to the terms and conditions. The HSBC bank team will contact you offline to help you with the credentials. Please note that this integration is a user-level integration. Other users or admins cannot initiate payments on your behalf. If you have the credentials to integrate Zoho Inventory with HSBC, you can use them to fill in the following information. Enter your profile ID, client ID, client secret, and upload the HSBC public key. The HSBC team will share these details via email and you can enter the same. You can select one of the bank accounts that you've created or add a new bank account and select it. Set a security PIN which we will use to initiate payments in Zoho Inventory. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Setup Now. You have successfully set up the integration. Next, let's see how to make payments to the vendors. First, let's add your vendor's bank account details. To do so, go to the Vendors module under Purchases. Select the vendor whose bank details you're going to enter. Click the More drop-down and select Add Bank Account. Once you've added your vendor's bank account details, you can initiate payments from Zoho Inventory in two ways. You can initiate payments via HSBC for a bill in Zoho Inventory, or you can make advance payments to vendors directly. To initiate payments through HSBC, go to the Bills module under Purchases from the left sidebar. Select the bill for which you need to make the payment. Click the Pay via HSBC button on the top. Select the account from which you want to make the payment in the From Account option. Select the To Account and the transaction type. Enter the secret PIN that you configured while setting up the integration and click Initiate Payment. The payment will be initiated from within Zoho Inventory and you will have to authorize the payment. You can also make payments for multiple bills for the same vendor. To do so, select the corresponding bill and click Pay via HSBC on the top right corner. Next, let's see how to make advance payments to vendors directly. Go to the Payments Made module under Purchases on the left sidebar. Click the plus new icon in the top right corner. Select the Vendor Advance tab in the top bar. Select the vendor for whom you want to make the advance payment and then select Initiate Payment via HSBC option. Enter all the tax-related details such as the source and destination of supply, reverse charge and TDS. Enter the amount to be paid. Select the account from which you want to make the payment in the From Account option. Select the To Account and the transaction type. Verify your details and click Initiate Payment. Enter the secret PIN that you configured while setting up the integration and click Initiate Payment. If you had initiated a NEFT or RTGS payment from within Zoho Inventory, you will have to authorize that payment using file-level authorization. In FLA, you will have to authorize or reject a file which may contain one or multiple payments. To authorize a payment from HSBC Net, log into the HSBC Net using your credentials, navigate to the menu, and select Payments and Transfers. Click File Authorization, and you will view the file of the NEFT and RTGS payments that you had initiated from Zoho Inventory. Select the file and click Review Files. Click Authorize File to authorize a payment, or you can click Reject File to reject the payment. Once you authorize a file, you'll see a confirmation screen with the payment status and the details. There may be times when you want to stop making payments through your HSBC bank account. In such a case, you can choose to disable the integration. Let's see how to do this. Go to Settings, Online Payments, select the Vendor Payments tab. Under HSBC, click Disable. If you're sure about disabling the integration, click I understand, disable my integration. That's it for now, folks. Hope you've got a good understanding of how this integration works. If you have any queries, do write to us at support@zohoinventory.com and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.